Number 7, the total cost of renting a banquet hall is a function of the number of hours the hall is rented. So the total cost is our output, and the number of hours is our input in it. So the total cost depends on the number of hours. The owner of the banquet hall charges $85 per half hour. $85 for a half an hour is $170 for 1 hour in it. So our growing number is $170 for every hour to a number of maximum hours of 4 plus a $50 cleaning fee, which is our starting number in it, or our y-intercept. What is the greatest value in the range for this function? Which is going to be 4 hours in it. So our gx plus f would be 170t plus 50 in it. And we're going to replace that t with 40. Or 4 hours. 4 times 170 is 680 plus 50, which is what? 730. So 730 would be what you bubble in. That's the maximum the range we get.